Here I have ARCHOS Access 57, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So first of all, you have to hold down power key, and when you see this menu you have to hold your finger on the shutdown power key, and then when you see this window reboot to safe mode, you just tap OK, and your device will be restarted in the safe mode. And that's it. As you can see, now you are in a safe mode. You can exit safe mode if you just restart your phone, and it will be restarted not in a safe mode but as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.